everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to study the 5.2 petroleum topic. So you know that petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooters and cars. Heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractors run on diesel. Petrol and diesel are obtained from a naturally source called petroleum. So it's a definition of this. Then do you know how petroleum is formed? Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. So underline this point that how it was formed. And as these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Also, its process is also important to know. Then over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. So, look at figure 5.4. Is the given figure which is petroleum and natural gas deposits. The figure shows the deposits of petroleum and natural gas. So you see that the layer containing petroleum, oil and gas is above that of water. Why is it so? Recall that oil and gas are lighter than water and do not mix with it. Let's first read the yellow box. The world's first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA in 1859. 8 years later, in 1867, oil was struck at Makkum in Assam. In India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai, High, and in the river basins of Godavari and Krishna. So it's important to know that where oil is found in India. So these are all the examples, that is Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High, and in the river basins of Godavari and Krishna. So now next topic is of petroleum only, that is refining of petroleum, that how is it refined. All the processes are discussed in the topic. So let's read it. That petroleum is a dark oily liquid. So now it has an unpleasant odor. Then these are all the characteristics of petroleum. It is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin, wax, etc. The process of separating the various constituents fractions of petroleum is known as refining. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery, that is shown in figure 5.5. Various constituents of petroleum and their uses are given in table 5.1. So it is the table, that is 5.1, various constituents of petroleum and their uses. So constituents of petroleum and their uses are given in the columns. So first one is petroleum gas in liquid form, that is LPG. That is liquefied petroleum gas. So its use is fuel for home and industry, then petrol, then motor fuel, aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning, then kerosene, that is it is used for fuel for stoves, lamps and for jet aircrafts, then diesel fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators, lubricating oil, lubrication, paraffin, wax, ointments, candles, vaselines, etc. And the last, which is seventh one, bitumen, paints, road surfacing. So it's very important for us to know each of its constituents and also their uses. So you should learn all the constituents of petroleum and their uses. So we will discuss the next topic in the next video.